This is your 8th grade math quiz, volume and surface area for Mrs. Campbell. Make sure you are hitting the pause, space bar or pause in between questions to allow yourself enough time to answer. When you are done, make sure you're clicking the mark as done button to submit. So number 1, a cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What equation can be used to find V, the volume of the cylinder, in cubic inches? It's going to be A, V equal pi 2.5h squared, or B, volume equal pi, parentheses 5h, parentheses squared, or C, volume equal pi 2.5 in parentheses squared, h, or D, V equals pi 5 in parentheses squared, h. Number 2, a container that holds sugar is shaped like a cylinder. The radius of the container is 3 inches, and the height of the container is 10.5 inches. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the container in cubic inches? A, 254.47 inches cubed. B, 296.88 inches cubed. C, 395.84 inches cubed, or D, 197.92 inches cubed. Number 3, a cone and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the cone in cubic inches? I'm just going to read the numbers. It is going to be F, 186.38, G, 248.50, H, 745.51, or J, 62.13. Number 4, a rectangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of this prism in square inches? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document, and be sure to use the correct place value. Number 5, a cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area of the cylinder in square centimeters? I'm going to read the answer numbers only. F, 575.3, G, 287.6, H, 398.5, J, 604.1. Number 6, find the volume. Use 3.14 for pi. Round to the nearest hundredth. Number 7, a fishbowl shaped like a sphere is filled with water. The fishbowl has a diameter of 16 inches. Which measurement is closest to the volume of water in the fishbowl in cubic inches? Again, I'm just going to read the numbers. A, 2,144.66. B, 17,157.28. C, 5,461.67. D, 6,433.98. Number 8, in a museum, there is a sculpture in the shape of a cylinder. The cylinder has a diameter of 12 feet and a height of h feet. Which equation can be used to find V, the volume of the cylinder in cubic feet? A, V equal pi, parentheses 6 squared, h. V, so going to be V equal pi, in parentheses 6h, parentheses close, squared. Or C, volume equal pi, parentheses 12, parentheses close, squared, h. Or D, volume equal pi, in parentheses you have 12h squared. Just look at those closely and make your best decision. Number 9, an architect uses a cylindrical container to protect her blueprints. The dimensions of the cylinder are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the total surface area of the container in square inches? Again, I'm reading the numbers only. A, 424.12. B, 791.68. C, 339.29. D, 282.74. Number 10, snacks at a county fair are sold in containers shaped like a cone or a cylinder. The dimensions of each container are shown in the diagram. Which statement about the volumes of the cone and the cylinder is true? A, the volume of the cylinder is about 377 cubic inches greater than the volume of the cone. B, the volume of the cylinder is about 377 cubic inches less than the volume of the cone. C, the volume of the cylinder is about 25 cubic inches greater than the volume of the cone. Or D, the volume of the cylinder is about 25 cubic inches less than the volume of the cone. Number 11 is going to be your last question. A container is shaped like a triangular prism. Each base of the container is an equilateral triangle with the dimensions shown. The container has a height of 16 centimeters. What is the lateral surface area of the container in square centimeters? Record your answers and fill in the bubbles on your answer document, and be sure to use the correct place value. That will be the end of your test. When you're completely done, click the submit, click the mark as done button. Thank you.